Hello, and welcome to the BTech Solutions and Enterprises for our solutions of BTech Integrator. In this tutorial, we're going to just walk through the setup of a new profile for the usage of an LDAP search usage for our browser. So this is the integrator version 4 that we'll be using by BTech, which is the BTech Enterprise Solutions. So the first part that we need to do, of course, after you've downloaded the integrator, you want to go to New Profile, and here we'll just do a test LDAP as the name for BTech, and here we're going to put BTechLDAP.com, and you can use this as well, port 1389. 1389, we'll keep that. Then we'll do next here. Okay, we want to authenticate this particular LDAP server. You must authenticate. Now there's a site that you can go to, again, the www.btechldap.com, and it will have instructions on the username that you can use to test using this LDAP browser and server. I'm going to use the CN root right now as the manager component. And I'm going to do a check authentication. It will go and check the LDAP connection to see if you have it, and I'm going to save that. And we'll do next. Here, let's go and fetch the contents from the distinguished base here that we'll use this as the base starting point for all of our searches, and we'll hit finish. So now we've created a profile successfully, and that means we have a connection to the LDAP, and we can hit the drop down and we'll see the test LDAP here. And just for a good measure, we'll do a test query on guest user IDs. And so we have 5 that's loaded up here. And as I select these on the left, you'll see the options here on the right. And also we can use these options to edit the data that you see here that's editable. So here we can actually change some of the values if we want. We don't want to do that right now as part of this tutorial. It's just to show you the features of setting up a new profile here, and how to do a quick search for users within your LDAP tree or structure. Again, you can go to www.btechldap.com and use that as your free service. LDAP. LDAP as a service is out on the internet, and you can just use that to connect and do some testing. And then later, if you need to do more, there are services to allow you to do that. Okay, and that will conclude this tutorial for the BTech Enterprises.